Up those skis and shoot the breeze.
Hey guys, Mr. Light is back with Dog's Life. Time to work on my dog abilities. So, what do we start with? Well, I think to start with, I see some blues. And where there are blues, there's always gonna be a dog who we are gonna compete against.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, it's a digging contest. This should be pretty simple. Considering I am kind of over the top on this. Very good. Okay, doing good. Next one. Okay. This one next. We are almost there. Come on, that one next. Come on, do this and one more. One more to go. We win. Nice going, Jake. Now we have control of this dog.
And let Jake take over.
Now here's the thing we can do with this dog. You see these birds here? That's really annoying. The idea is, you chase after them. And what is good about this dog, the reason you gotta use this dog, he's very good at walking on ice. That's right, chase them birds. Come on. Bit more. One more should do it. And there they go. The birds have flown away. That was easy.
I'm amazed. You're like one of those mythical creatures with marvelous magic powers. You astonish me, sir.
Cut the flattery, buddy, and give the dog a bone.
Yep. Flattery doesn't get you anywhere with dogs.
Oh, yes. Life is good.
But bones do. Right, next thing I want to do. I want to go over here and speak to this girl who has a bone for me.
Hey there, doggy. Some mean boy stole my coat to dress their snowman. Can you find it for me?
Now, this is where it gets interesting. You see, this coat we gotta look for actually is in another zone. It's in the ski slope. Sometimes I find this a bit... Well, it's not that bad, but you gotta admit, you gotta actually go to another zone sometimes, so you gotta be prepared for that. So let's follow the trail. Thankfully, I know for a fact the coat is in here. There it is. Now let's go give it back to the girl.
Careful. What an aroma.
Good dog. Oh, might as well get that on the way. We'll be going back to the ski slope at some point. Come on. Right.
I feel weak. Need feeding.
Oh, he needs food.
My coat! Super! I guess those boys decided not to use it for their snowman after all. Could you turn around while I put it on? Mom taught me never to get dressed in front of strangers.
Wow.
Nice kid. Too bad she's 2 sandwiches short of a picnic.
Oh, that's nice and toasty. Thank you so much. Now,
what?
could you please help me track down my missing dog? I found his collar not far from here. Follow me.
Okay, that was flipping weird. Pretty sure that wasn't supposed to happen. That was a glitch. Just follow the girl. And here we are.
This is where I found my dog's collar. Then I saw this big red truck driving away. Look out, doggy. It's that mean dog catcher.
Oh no,
They
he's
said
here.
ship strays like you off to Boom City.
Well, if you excuse me, I am off for the run. So long, sucker! I am running like mad. I am running like mad. I am running like mad. Ha! And then he's reading the newspaper again. I haven't a clue. That's not a very good dog catcher.
Good doggy. You'll need lots of strength if you're going to look for my missing dog. Take this bone.
Ah, there it is.
Wahoo! At last!
51 bones. I love my bones. Oh! Hang on. Yes!
A bone.
Very good. That's another bone to add to my list. Now then, let's see here. Oh!
Hey!
I smell a bone! Diggity, diggity, diggity.
Gimme, gimme, gimme!
Very good. Now I'm missing some sense for that guy, aren't I?
Jake loves bones.
Should we go down here now? Ah! This is what I'm looking for. Green.
Oh, yes. Nice and stinky does it.
We gotta get all the greens. Now I should warn you, this one is difficult. Come on, the other way. Come on, you flipping dog. Grab that green. Got that one. Oh, no. Go flipping back that way. Okay, got that one. Just two more, then right in front of me. This is where it gets difficult now.
I've got more bones than this guy.
Yeah, you
Time to
might,
have a little
but
fun.
this
3,
is gonna
2,
be difficult.
Go!
It's not the fact he's hard to beat. It's this going on the ice.
Oh, yes. I'm gonna win.
Come on, get to him.
I can't believe it.
Oh, that's basically what you gotta do is don't really worry about those ones. And don't go right. Don't go for the exit, go left. Because they actually continue. Yep. Look how many treats he's eating. What a spoilt dog. And there's the race. That was easy. Gimme, gimme, gimme bone. Get up there, Jake. Come on, Jake, get up. Go get that bone. Bone.
Miss Peaches talking at you. I still love you. Yes, I do. Now.
Right. Now, I do know where the purple one is. Might I also say, the purple one is flipping annoying. The purple one is right over here. Here it is. Now, let's get some sense. Flip! Don't want to do that. Okay, got that one. Come on, get it. Flip. Oh, this one's a nightmare. Come on, move, Jake. Six, 5, 4. Yeah, I failed this, to be honest. This is where I always get stuck. There is one scent that I really struggle to find. And I swear to you now, this is really difficult to do. You can probably tell because it's on the freaking ice. Oh dear. Oh my flip! I failed again. I didn't do it right. I was trying to get past them all, then get them all, but it didn't work. The ice is really difficult to get by. Try it again. Okay, can we get this one first? Yes, we can. Let me get that one. Oh, I missed that one. Go back and get that. Then get this one. Good. Go back, go back, go back, go back! Flip's sake, Jake, you are so bad at this. And I know where they are now. There's one more and it's right behind me. There it is, the last one. Wow, that was tough. Come on, Jake, let's go get that freaking bone. Oh my flip, that was annoying. And after I get this bone, I'm going to call it a video. Then next time, we just gotta get, I believe the only bone left is the purple scent bone.
Back to CSKI's thing.
Let's have a look. Yeah, all we got left now is the purple scent bone. So next time, we get the final bone in this area and move on to the ski slope. See you guys then.